When you're submitting your job application along with a resume, you'll also have to submit one document that we call as a covering letter. A covering letter is a single page document which you'll have to submit along with your job application or the resume when you're applying for a job. You should always attach a covering letter to your application unless it is asked not to do so. A good covering letter sparks the interest of hiring manager and can ask them to read about your resume, and a bad covering letter may lead into a rejection of your resume and a job application. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to know and understand the essentials of writing a good covering letter. Hey everyone, welcome back once again. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the essentials of writing a good cover letter, some do's and don'ts. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then please do hit on subscription and bell icon. And also, if you have further queries, feel free to comment them in the comment section. Moving ahead in the video, let us first understand why the covering letter has to be attached with the job application or a resume. Number 1, the covering letter helps to introduce a candidate. Number 2, it also helps the job which you are applying for. Number 3, it also helps you to showcase how your skills and experience are matching to the job profile which a company is looking for. And a good covering letter also creates interest in the mind of a hiring manager to read more about your job application and resume. So here are 3 essentials which you'll have to remember when you're writing a covering letter for your job application. Point number 1, find out to whom you need to address. Don't make your covering letter to whom so it may concern. Be specific while writing a covering letter. If you have found an advertisement maybe on internet or maybe in the newspaper, so try to find out the name of a person to whom you want to address in your covering letter. That will give an impression that you are clear about the contact details of the company and creates an impression about the candidate that the candidate is serious about this position which he or she is applying for. Point number 2, find out more about the job profile so that you'll be able to write your skills and experience aligning to the job profile which the company is looking for. Point number 3, find out more about the company, like the sort of industry the company is into, nature of product portfolio, which may help you to tailor your covering letter as per the offerings of the company. So these were the 3 essentials of writing a good covering letter. You'll also have to remember some do's and don'ts. Point number 1, keep it short. It is always advised to restrict your covering letter to a 1 page and don't put the same information which you have mentioned in the resume. Point number 2, match your covering letter to the job profile. You'll have to know more about the job profile and accordingly try to align your skills and experience which can match to the job profile which the company is looking for. Point number 3, do mention your contact details like your mobile number and mail ID. And point number 4, a list of your relevant skills and experience. So these were some do's of writing an effective covering letter. You'll also have to remember some don'ts. Point number 1, don't forget to check the spelling, grammar and typo error. Point number 2, don't cut and paste the information which you have added in the resume. And point number 3, don't mention your other job applications if you have applied somewhere. Let us go to an example to know more about writing and layout of a covering letter. On the top, you'll have to mention about the name, designation and name of the company. You'll have to have a right salutation, and this is how you can write in the main body of a covering letter. I'm writing to apply for the marketing manager position advertised in the, you can refer the newspaper's name. The role is very appealing to me and I believe that my experience and education makes me a highly competitive candidate for this position. My key strengths that would support my success in this position includes, I have successfully designed, developed and executed the product positioning strategy which helps to boost the sales by 17%. I strive continuously for excellence. I provide exceptional contribution to digital marketing activities. With an MBA degree in marketing management, I have a comprehensive understanding of customer profile, market segmentation and social media marketing. Please see my resume for additional information on my experience. I can be reached anytime via email at, you can give an email ID here, or on a cell phone, you can give your mobile number there. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to speaking with you about this employment opportunity. Sincerely, here you can write your name. So this one was an example of a covering letter you can use with the customization. I'm sure you must have found this video helpful and informative. If so, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Sandeep signing off. Thank you for your time.